You might want to put circles on a map to show specific radiuses from a point. Now we do that using the circles button over here. Now we can either search for a place. So for instance, we'll use Pickering, which is very close to where we are, and that will put some circles on a map. These are at 5 mile intervals, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. We might want to have more circles, so we do that, add those, and we might want to increase the distance between the circles, which we can do by doing that. Now, this is quite handy for people delivering that have different prices for different distances from a particular point. Now, say you don't know the postcode or you don't know the place, you just want to pick it on a map. Click the Pick on Map button and click where you want it to be. That will change the circles. Now, just let me hide the settlement labels to make it clearer. Now what we might want to do is, it's all well and good having a map like this if people can understand postcode, can understand where they are in relation to the circles, but you might want to color the map based on postcodes. So what we can do in the circles button is color map areas inside the circles. We click that and then we can hide the circles, and this has now created us a territory map, as you can see, but showing which postcodes appeared within which circle. And that's changed it into the legend up here, which we can also change if we want. Say we're not necessarily bothered whether it's 0 to 13 miles. We can change that to say £5 delivery, maybe £15 delivery, and so on. So then what we've got is a map that shows all the postcodes and what can be delivered at what price. That's about it for the circles.